Corvael Nattokinase is marketed as a dietary supplement that claims to support heart health, improve circulation, and promote healthy blood flow. The marketing can make it sound like a simple solution for cardiovascular wellness, but the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, nattokinase is a real enzyme derived from fermented soybeans and has been studied for its potential effects on cardiovascular health. However, the evidence is still limited, and supplements are not a substitute for medical treatment. What it does well: convenient to take. The supplement is easy to incorporate into a daily routine. May support cardiovascular health. Some research suggests nattokinase may play a role in supporting healthy circulation, although more high-quality studies are needed. Where the hype falls apart, it's not a proven treatment. Nattokinase should not be viewed as a replacement for prescribed medications or professional medical care. Evidence is still evolving. While some studies are promising, there isn't strong clinical evidence supporting many of the broad claims made in advertisements. It may not be suitable for everyone. People taking blood thinners or those with bleeding disorders should speak to a healthcare professional before using nattokinase supplements. So, should you buy Corvael Nattokinase? Short answer: maybe, if you're looking for a general wellness supplement. If you're interested in nattokinase as part of a healthy lifestyle, it may be worth considering. But don't expect it to replace proven medical treatments or deliver dramatic cardiovascular benefits on its own. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.